Assalamualaikum students, today is grammar lecture, and in our previous lecture we discussed about past continuous tense. And students, you know very well, past continuous tense shows the continuity of action in the past. Past means mazi and continuous means jari. Past means mazi means guzra hua time and continuous means jari. Past continuous tense means it shows the continuity of action or happening of action in the पास्ट मीन ये गुजरे हुए टाइम में किसी काम का जारी होना शो करता है. इट शोज द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ एक्शन बट नॉट द कंप्लीशन ऑफ एक्शन. एंड स्टूडेंट, यू नो वेरी वेल देयर आर two helping verbs in past continuous tense, was and were. With singular we use was and with plurals we use were. And students, you know very well there are four types of sentences: simple sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, negative and interrogative sentences. And simple sentences are those sentences in which we just simply talk about the happening of any action. We don't use negation or we don't ask question in simple sentences. Now today we will discuss about negative sentences. Student, you know negative sentences means manfi jumle. Negative sentences are those sentences in which we use negation. Negation means we use nahi in Urdu sentences, and we put full stop at the end of the sentence. And students, you know very well the recognition of past continuous tense in Urdu, we put raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the at the end of the sentence. Now students, look at the structure of negative sentences according to past continuous tense. Firstly, we will put subject, then helping verb. Helping verb we put according to subject. If subject is singular, then we put was. If subject is plural, then we put were. After that we put not. After it we put verb. In verb we put first form with ing, and then we put object. And student, you know very well subject means the person who performs action in the sentence, and verb, it shows that action which is going on in the sentence, and object, on person, on or on which thing the action is going on, it is called object. Now students, look at some examples of negative sentences. Look at first sentence, लड़कियां क्लास में ऊँग नहीं रही थी. Here we have used नहीं in order to show negation. That's why it is negative sentence. The translation of this sentence is girls were not dozing in the class. Here girls are subject, were is helping verb, girls are plural, that's why we have put here helping verb were. After that we put here not, and after not we put here verb. Then in the class is object. Next, उम्मीदवार पर्चा हल नहीं कर रहा था. The candidate was not solving the paper. Here subject is singular, that's why we have put here helping verb was, and after helping verb we have put here not in order to show the negation of this sentence. Next, वो गलती नहीं कर रहा था. He was not making a mistake. नेक्स्ट, तुम अपने फ़र्ज से गफलत नहीं बरत रहे थे. यू वर नॉट निगलेक्टिंग योर ड्यूटीज़. निगलेक्ट मीन गफलत बरतना. वी हैव पुट हियर ing in order to show the continuity of action in the past. Hopefully students, you got my point. Today our topic is about negative sentences. Negative sentences means manfi jumle. Negative sentences are those sentences in which we use negation in order to show the negation of some action. And look at the structure of negative sentences again. Firstly we put subject, then helping verb, then not. After that we put verb, after it object, and we put full stop at the end of the sentence in negative sentences. Now students, you will create maximum 5 sentences of negative sentences of past continuous tense by yourself.